Good afternoon. Today we're going to focus our study on cause and effect. Remember, as we talked about before, a cause is an event or an action that makes something happen, such as strong winds. The effect is what happens as a result of an action or the event. The roof flew off the house. The roof flew off the house as a result of the strong winds. Or you might say the roof flew off the house because of the strong winds. In order to find the effect, you always want to ask yourself what happened. To find the cause, ask yourself, why did this happen? Let's think back to the story that we read today. The day Jimmy's boa ate the wash. Look at this page that I've turned to. It reads, "So she threw one at Jenny, but she missed and hit Jimmy, who dropped his boa constrictor. Oh, I know. The next thing you knew, everyone was throwing eggs, right?" And he goes on to say, yes, right. So this is a big part of the action. And this is kind of like the peak of the story. So Jimmy drops his boa constrictor because the effect is going to be Jimmy drops his boa constrictor. What is the cause of that? What causes Jimmy to drop his boa constrictor? If you'll write the answer to that down on a piece of paper, put your name on it, and then you'll put it in my bucket in the morning. The answer to this question, what caused Jimmy to drop his boa constrictor? What was the cause of that? Then that will serve as your secret password this time, okay? I'm going to read it again. So she threw one at Jenny, but she missed and hit Jimmy, who dropped his boa constrictor. Oh, and I know, the next thing you knew, everyone was throwing eggs, right? Right. So think about the cause and effect relationship. I gave you the effect. Jimmy dropped his boa constrictor, and the secret password will be, what was the cause of that? Now, in thinking about that example, I want you to look at your homework assignment for Friday. For Friday, I would like for you to take the AR book that you're reading right now, whatever you're reading at home, and fill out the cause and effect sheet. This will be due Friday. The easiest way to do this would be to write 4 different things that happen, 4 different things that take place in your story. Then you will find the cause of those things. So if you do your effect first, you'll find it to be a little bit easier. You have gotten this sheet today at school. Make sure you put your name on it. Do 4 cause and effect relationships from your story that you're reading personally at home. And then you can bring it into me by Friday. And don't forget, the secret password is the answer to my question. What was the cause of Jimmy dropping his boa constrictor? Hope everyone has a great night.